अक्सर हमारा दिल और दिमाग दो अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में जा रहा होता है। हमारा दिल बोलता है यार छोड़ो ये सब, नहीं करना ये काम, लेट्स जस्ट मूव ऑन इन आवर लाइफ, डू समथिंग वी आर पैशनेट अबाउट। एंड देन दिमाग बोलता है यार कैसे, हाउ विल वी डू इट, कैसे हम बैलेंस कैसे करेंगे, हम खर्चा कैसे चलाएंगे, हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ कैसे पूरी होंगी, देर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स जो हमें करनी ज़रूरी है। लाइफ में कुछ कुछ सैक्रिफाइसेस तो करने ही पड़ते हैं एंड दैट इज़ ओके इफ़ यू आर डूइंग दैट। द थिंग इज़ दैट ये सारे बैरियर्स, ये सारे हेजिटेशंस हमें सिर्फ एक रीज़न की वजह से आते हैं एंड दैट इज़ फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी। द फर्स्ट थिंग आई वॉन्ट यू टू डू इज़ क्विट लाइंग टू योर सेल्फ। Quit lying to yourself that you will not have enough. The truth is you will always have enough to sustain. You'll always have enough to work on the right path that you want to. आपको कभी कोई बैरियर नहीं आएगा एज सच सिवाय यहाँ के, until you are putting your directions, your efforts into the right direction. I am Aditi Sharma. I am a career coach and a sales trainer. I am making these videos because I want to help you out in your growth and your development. If you like my videos, do make sure to subscribe to the channel. Through this video, I just want you to make sure that you are walking on the right path. If your heart is saying that you need to do something else, if your heart is saying that you need to follow another direction altogether, just quit and start following your heart. And trust me, you will always have enough money to go towards your right path. Whether it is, you just want to live for yourself, you want to do something you're passionate about, you want to follow your art, your passion, whatever it is, just do it. Do not just keep on continuing to lie to yourself. And it's not just for you, it's for the organization that you're working for as well. Understand, if you are not justifying your work at your workplace, if you're not justifying it, and just because आपकी monthly salary आ रही है, you want to work, is the wrong thing to do. It's not just wrong to yourself but to the organization as well. So quit if you feel that you're not able to justify your work. And at the same time, quit if you're not giving your heart and soul to your work. If you're working in an organization, you're putting in your efforts but not from your heart and your soul, trust me, you're never going to grow in the organization or anywhere. In fact, what you should rather do is identify the companies, identify the places जिनका work culture, जिनका work environment आपके mindset के साथ match करता है, and go and work over there. Instead of working somewhere जहाँ पे आपका heart and soul is clenching and it is not actually helping you grow. Just leave. Quit if you're not able to grow. Quit if you're not able to justify your work. Quit if you're not feeling respected for the work that you're doing. Just quit everything if you're not feeling that the place is right for you. And the most important thing, I would say, the most important thing to identify when you're supposed to quit is the time when you are not learning anymore, when you are not growing anymore, whether it is financially, whether it is personally. If you feel that there is no growth at all, आपके लाइफ में वो stagnant point आ चुका है, just quit. Because justice करना बहुत ज़रूरी है यार अपने काम के साथ. If you're not doing it, what the hell are you doing? You're not doing anything as such. आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप अपनी नौकरी से सैलरी आ रही है आपकी और आप अपना घर चला रहे हो. Fair enough. But at the same time, how is it justifying your personality altogether? Who are you? What are you doing? What have you done? What have you achieved? आप थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में सोचो, थोड़ा सेल्फ एनालिसिस करो, give time to yourself. And I also want to say this thing, that there are a lot of people who think that if we quit, that means we are running away from the situation, we are running away from the problems. That is not true. You are running towards your growth if you are going to quit. Understand, at times quitting is not about running away, it is about growing, it is about learning new things, it is about opening yourself up for new opportunities. अभी आप डर रहे हो, अभी आप सिक्योर फील करना चाहते हो, एंड दैट इज़ वाई यू आर नॉट टेकिंग एनी एक्शन, विच इज़ नॉट राइट. Okay, so make sure at the same time you're also optimizing your skills properly. You're using your skills to the best of its manner. If you're not able to utilize your skills, quit. It is very important. Make sure you're putting in efforts. Make sure that your ethics, your morals are connecting with the organization, and if it is not, quit. It is okay to quit. It is absolutely fine. Just make sure that you are running into the right direction. You are walking the path where your heart lies. All the best.